Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Did you block someone on WhatsApp and you want to unblock them? So in this video I will show you how to unblock someone on WhatsApp in easy way. So what you have to need is just follow me step by step. First you have to do is to go to WhatsApp as you see, and you will click here. Then in this first page of WhatsApp you will find these three dots on above, so you will enter to these three dots. After that, here in this list you have to go to settings, so you will enter to settings. Then here in this list you will have privacy. You will enter to privacy here, block contacts, disappear messages. Then in this list you will have here contacts. As you see, contacts, block contacts, WhatsApp contacts. So you will enter to this page of contacts as you see, so you will go here, and then as you see you will find here WhatsApp contacts and blocked contacts. So you will find one contacts here. You have to click here and do like this, and then we click unblock this person here in that way. So here in this page as you see you will find that you unblock or you unblock the person that you blocked before on WhatsApp. So this is how you can unblock someone on WhatsApp. If this video is helpful for you and if you are enjoying watching this video, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.